In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use layouts in your Wave.video project. Start by heading into your Wave.video project. Once your project is open and you can see your timeline and preview, the key place you'll work from is the Layout section. This is where you control how your visuals are arranged on screen. Think of it as the blueprint for your composition. Using layouts is the fastest way to make your video look polished without rebuilding your design from scratch. Open the Layout section and take a moment to scan the categories. You'll see options like Basic, Devices, Collages, Shapes, Artistic, Best for Captions, and Picture-in-Picture. Each category is designed for a different purpose, so choosing the right one depends on your content and your goal. Basic is your clean, go-to choice. It gives you simple, balanced placements for full-screen clips, background images, and straightforward text. If you want minimal and modern, start here. Devices is perfect when you want to showcase a website, app, or product demo inside a phone, tablet, or laptop frame. It instantly adds context and makes screen recordings feel intentional. Collages help when you need multiple visuals at once, 2 or more videos or images arranged side by side or in a grid. Use this for comparisons, before and after content, or multi-speaker formats. Shapes add visual framing and emphasis. Circles, rounded rectangles, or angled masks can draw attention to a subject, create playful designs, or match a brand's style without getting overly complex. Artistic gives you stylized layouts with creative overlays, masks, and dynamic arrangements. These are great for promos, teasers, or social content where personality matters. Best for Captions keeps the most important areas clear so your subtitles remain readable. Choose these when accessibility and clarity are a priority, especially for vertical or square formats. Picture-in-Picture lets you layer a smaller video over a larger one, ideal for tutorials, commentary, or reaction-style clips. It's a staple for training and explainer content because it preserves both the main screen and your presenter. As you browse, click a layout to preview how it reframes your content. If something doesn't feel right, switch to another option. Layouts are designed to be flexible. Keep an eye on safe margins so text and key visuals don't crowd the edges, especially if you plan to post on platforms that crop differently. When you find the layout that supports your message, you're done. Your project now has a clear professional structure that's ready for the next creative steps.